I showed you guys something really cool prior to this, but something else I'm gonna show you really cool in Google Sheets and Excel is a reverse VLOOKUP. Now the reason for this is sometimes you need to pull information in the other way around, and it's not commonly brought up. How do you do an inverse or reverse VLOOKUP? That's why I make videos on the internet, to teach you how to be so much more productive with tips like this. And I'll show you how it helps me improve my own productivity at the end of this video. So first of all, when you do something like a VLOOKUP, usually you're pulling in data from one column to another, but in this circumstance, you're doing the same thing, just in the opposite way. So usually you have to look around and be like, oh, what is it? Is it like reverse VLOOKUP? Like, is it an XLOOKUP? XLOOKUPs are horizontal and are not able to be done in Google Sheets. So what we're gonna do here is we're actually gonna make a formula that first, if you go index equals index, you're gonna select the column here first that you're gonna wanna pull the data in from, okay? And then you're gonna match it. So you do that column and then comma, match, and then you're gonna select the cell next to the equation. So you're gonna make sure that this is gonna match to this right here. So you're basically indexing this column and finding what then matches. Then you put this, put that cell, and then another comma, then you grab the column next to it. And then you close it off with 2 parentheses, and then you get a suggested autofill here. So essentially this is pulling in that because this column is indexed to match for this, will pull in this information. As you can see, it does the opposite of what a VLOOKUP does. Like for example, in this example of a VLOOKUP, what this thing does is it pulls data in from another column. So this VLOOKUP grabs things from this personal spending tab that I have. So basically it's like, all right, is this matching this? Okay, you'll see here, VLOOKUP for food in January, I'm not gonna have any. So since this matches that, it's not gonna pull that in. And then if you want to make sure that this actually has even more of a best practice, what you can do is you can put a comma and then 0, and then this requires it to be exact match. You can also write false as well. Stuff like this is how you can be much more efficient at your day job. If you know how to do these kind of things and other people don't, you will be much more efficient. You wanna learn more on how to improve your productivity, check out videos like this one right here.